Okay everyone, so in this video I'm gonna show you how to use NBminer to increase your hash rate on your 3060 Ti with this LHR limiter. Alright, so my 3060 Ti are in here, and the final result, which we're gonna do in this video, will be this one. You can see 3060 Ti at 42.92 MHz per second, and we have power at 129. Alright, so if you want to see how I can get 43 MHz per second on your 3060 Ti LHR limiter, keep watching. And we're gonna use NBminer for this, and I'm also gonna use Ethermine mining pool, but you can use any other mining pool of your choice. Alright, so first just open up a Google web browser and just search for NBminer. Hit enter. Alright, we're gonna choose this one, github.com with NBminer. Click on that. Okay, so we're gonna use Ethermine, but you can choose any other pool. Just go down in this page to this one, sample usages. We can see ETH, Ethereum, and we can see this one, Ethermine, and we can see what type of pools we can use. All right, so we have this one we're gonna use for this tutorial, and we see this as an example. I'm gonna show you how to change this one if you are in another area like Europe, US, and things like that. All right, but first we're just gonna go up, and we're gonna go to the right, and we're gonna go to this one, NBminer, and click on this one, version 39.2. Let's click on that. Go down and choose the one that suits your device the best. I'm gonna choose this one, win.zip. Click on it to download it. Alright, after that we're gonna open this folder, and now we can see that you have NBminer right here, which is a zip file. So we need to right click and unzip this folder. If you don't have any unzipper, just Google 7-zip and install that one. After that, just go to 7-zip, go to the right and choose extract to NBminer. Click on that, like so. Now we can drag this to our desktop if you like so. Close this window. Okay, so open up this folder and open up this folder, and now we see that you have these bat files right here. We want to right click on eth.bat, and we want to go and click on edit. Okay, so now we want to change some information right here. We can go and add dash LHR and 68. So this is for the LHR limiter, and this 68 stands for 68%. Now we're just gonna go and name this rig. So I'm gonna delete default. I'm just gonna name this to Earth, like so. And this one is your wallet address. I'm using a Binance wallet address. I'm just gonna go and delete this one. I'm gonna open up my Binance address, and just paste it right here, like so. Okay, so now we want to change this Spark pool to Ethermine pool. I'm just gonna go to Chrome, open up a new browser, and I'm gonna search for Ethermine. Hit enter. I'm gonna go into this ethermine.org, and I'm gonna go to start mining, and now we can see that we can choose Asia, Europe, US East, US West. I'm in Europe, so I'm gonna copy this address. I'm gonna go back to our bat file, and I'm gonna remove this, delete it, and paste our new ethermine.org address. So eu1.ethermine.org. If you are on another place, just paste that one. Alright, so now we want to change this number as well. Just go back to your mining pool, and in my case I'm gonna change it to this one, Stratum port. So it's 4444. We can copy this one. Just go back to your file, and we're gonna delete this number and just paste the new number. Alright, so after that we're just gonna go and click on X and save this file. And we're gonna go to a new browser. We're gonna search for MSI Afterburner, hit enter and choose this one, MSI Afterburner, if you don't have this already, and just download it and install it. Alright, and after you have installed MSI Afterburner, we can open it up, and if it doesn't open up, you can just go down right here, click on this airplane. Alright, so to get this view, just click on this settings icon, go up to this one, user interface, click on the drop down menu under user interface skinning properties, and choose this one, My Mystic Afterburner skin by Drerex Design. And you can also skin scaling if you want to have a bigger one or smaller one. After that, just click on apply, and after that just click on OK, and you will have the same view as I do. Now we can go and start our NBminer. Just go to this one, just double click on this eth.bat file, and I'm just gonna go and click on allow access. Okay, so now NBminer will start to mine, and we will see the result with no overclocking settings. And before it kicks in, we will see 000. It will go up soon. Alright, so now we have our 3060 Ti at 31 MHz per second, and the one with non-LHR has 60.67 MHz per second with some overclocking settings. So we want to add some overclocking settings to increase this to about 42-43 MHz per second, which is about 70% of 60 and 62 MHz per second. Alright, so let's go to MSI Afterburner. Just open it up, just click on this MSI Afterburner logo, click on yes to open up the MSI Afterburner. Alright, and just click on this arrow and locate your 3060 Ti. After that, we're gonna go to core clock and leave this at 0. We're gonna go to memory clock, and we're gonna add this to 1300 plus, like so. We're gonna go to power limit, we're gonna add 65, and we're gonna add auto fan speed. Alright, now we're gonna go and click on this check mark, and this should apply the settings to our 3060 Ti in the NBminer. So let's have a look. Alright, so we have jumped up to 36.72 MHz per second. Let's wait and see what happens. And now we have 37.64 MHz per second. Okay, so we have some problem because I'm recording right now, so I'm only getting 37.23. I'm gonna pause the recording and record from my mobile phone instead and see if you can get this to 42-43 MHz per second. Okay, so now we have 42.37 MHz per second, and now we can go and edit our bat file one more time. Just open up your bat file, just right click and click on edit. And now we can change this value to maybe 69 and see what happens. Like so. We're gonna exit this one, click on save, and we're gonna restart the NBminer. Like so. And just double click on this eth.bat file and see what happens. You can try 70, but for the most, 68 is the most stable one. You can try 69 and see if you can increase some hash rate. So just test this out. Okay, so it's almost the same. It's 42.37 55 megahertz per second, and we have a power of 129. Alright, so in this case I would go back to 68%. Okay everyone, so this is how you can use NBminer to increase your hash rate on your LHR 3060 Ti. Okay, so just comment below on your own result so we can see what you get. Okay everyone, so if you like this video, subscribe for more of these tutorials and have an awesome day. Take care and bye.